In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create A/B thumbnail testing here on YouTube. This is pretty easy to go ahead and do, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. In order to go ahead and do this, the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually click on your profile icon up in the top right to open up YouTube Studio. So click on that, and from the drop down, select YouTube Studio. And then in YouTube Studio, go ahead and find the video that you want to go ahead and test these thumbnails on. So as you can see, these are videos that I've actually already done it on, which is pretty cool. But in this case, I didn't do it on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select the details just like so. And on the thumbnail options down here, there's going to be 3 dots. You want to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Now for you, it should say an option that says test and compare, where mine says view test report. Go ahead and select that. And from here, you're going to be given a few options. You're going to have the option to upload 3 video files for those thumbnails. So go ahead and put thumbnail 1 here, thumbnail 2 here, and thumbnail 3 here. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and automatically choose the best performing thumbnail and keep it as your default. So when YouTube pushes these videos out to people, if one thumbnail has a higher click-through rate than another thumbnail, YouTube's going to go ahead and begin pushing that thumbnail out more. And by default, it's going to select that after the test is complete. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. It really does help out the channel, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.